Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Ansible Vault for securing VPS secrets, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Ansible website at ansible.com. Once there, look for the download section, typically found in the navigation menu. Click on the download link to access the available versions of Ansible. Locate the version suitable for your operating system. If you're using Windows, you may want to consider installing through WSL or using Chocolatey. For macOS users, you can install Ansible using Homebrew. Linux users can use their package manager to install Ansible. For example, on Ubuntu, you can run sudo apt-add repository ppa ansible/ansible. Then, run the command sudo apt update. Follow this by executing sudo apt install ansible. Once installed, confirm the installation by running Ansible version. Now that Ansible is installed, let's create a secured vault for your VPS secrets. Open your terminal and type Ansible Vault create secrets.yml. This command will create a new file where you can store your secrets. You will be prompted to enter a password for the vault. Choose a strong password and make sure to remember it, as it will be required to access your secrets later. Once you've entered the password, your text editor will open. Here, you can add your sensitive information such as API keys or passwords. After entering your secrets, save and close the file. To view the secured vault, use the command Ansible Vault view secrets.yml. When prompted, enter the password you created earlier. This will allow you to view the content of the vault securely. To edit the vault later, use Ansible Vault edit secrets.yml. This will open the file in your editor, allowing you to modify any secrets securely. Remember to save and exit after making any changes. That wraps up the basic steps for downloading Ansible and creating a vault for your VPS secrets. You are now equipped to manage your sensitive information securely with Ansible Vault. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.